Hello, everyone. I just wanted to inform you of a workshop that will be happening on Zoom, all about Zoom. It is entitled Unlocking Zoom and really focuses on all the features of Zoom that you can utilize in your next presentation. It will be on April the 4th at 11 to 1 p.m. So 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And so 2 hours, and it will, as I said before, be all about Zoom. You will have the opportunity to work in pairs, you'll have the opportunity to work in groups, and you will also have the opportunity to ask any questions in the Q&A session that you may have. Please attend and be there. Until then, bye.